Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Dragon the Nine Realms. Since you loved my previous video so much, this is the part 2. Hope you enjoy.
What happened to your leg?
No. Damn if I do.
Bring it over to my place. You be like, baby, who cares? I know you care. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you do to me. Your body like it speaks to me. I don't know what you do.
Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your shit, babe. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. Summertime sadness. I keep on missing summertime sadness. Like the stars, it's the summertime sadness.
Said young people fall in love with the wrong people sometimes. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. You can think that you're in love when you're really just engaged. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. In the end it's better for me, that's the moral of the story. When the world is calling you, can you hear them screaming out for them?
Alright guys, well this is it for this video. I know it's short, but it's because my exams are starting and I had to keep my promise to make a part 2 anyways. Hope you enjoyed. And also someone told me in the comments in my last video to change Eugene's color. If I make a part 3, I promise I will change it. Thanks for watching.